Till here has the dark power not destroyed you all. Soon this world will vanish, along with those who live to fade. And you too will sleep in total hate's embrace. Ah ha 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 ha! Great dark portal, dark in the black of stars. Listen up, Agate. You're saying this world will vanish? Not today! This world will live on! So you vanish! So time! Let your hopes be blown away. Dark mouth will darken and arise the day. For darkness to monsters, darkness in. You deal with a power far beyond you. Down in shadow black as tar until darkest light. Darkest stars I will rise, and the stars will fall. All who dare to stand shall be made to cry. And in the final hour of fade and light, your dreams of peace cast aside, scattered like dust in the night. And in the final, my star will shine, the darkness and power lined. In the final fight, inside the hearts of monsters, see the darkest beginning. You deal with the power far beyond your reckoning. Oh, looky here, you had a little speak paled. You're done singing, cause it's my turn, usually to be scaled. Ha! These scales of shadow suck. Dare to step to Zongazonga, boy. Are you out of luck? There's only rumors of voice and goes on me, and I don't if anything. Ha! Nice try, but I'm still here, and there's nothing to fear. Now I'll end your whole career. Who are you to think you're stronger than I? No, the zombie king will never die, never die. It's time to bring the grand finale. I'll come out of this fine, and I'll take you down, take you offline. And there's no way a man like you could beat me. Your blindness is blind, and I'll stomp you in one Zongazonga's time. You riffle well before you get to trying to say my name. Your powers for your eyes, really lame. I want to be beat, me and the king. You stole my power, now you pay for everything. Took my style, well, I'm also impressed. I get copycats want to copy the very best. I got no patience for it. I'm trying to take the throne. I am the zombie king, your data file break your bones. Have mastered my powers, and I'll step down the sea. If the hate can bleed, zombie king, I will strike you down. I'll put you back in the ground. That's why I'm the champion. And in the final hour of fate and light, no one can challenge my might. Not while the fire burns bright. And how my star will glow. starlight and power aligned in the final fight. What's wrong, Leo? Are you just a dark matter? Well, I brought some friends to end it here for the fight. Hey, look, it's Joe, it's here. It's darkness and Mal's right here. Let's finish off his hate. And the journey we come far, and now here we are. You see, true heroes. No, I can know you still made one mistake. You thinking you can never find a way to save the day. We will hold our weapons high while the stars fall as we soar through the sky. We will win, friends, hand in hand. We will never crawl, and here we stand. And in the final hour, fading light, dreams of peace taking flight, passing back the night. And in the final hour, star will shine, star and power line. In the final fight, I see the darkness. You're a loser, try to stand against the zombie king. And running everything. The finale approaches, now victory will sing. In the end, we've come far, and now here we are. You see, real heroes. Inside the monster's icy is reckoning. You deal with the foul from beyond your reckoning. Dreams in darkness crashing on. Now it's time you learn. Now it's my turn. We will rise, and the star will fall. We will bring the light back to all. And in the final hour, fading light, it's all against the night, while our hearts burn bright. And in the final hour, stars will shine, starlight and power line. In the final fight. I have fallen to come so far to lose. Hey, you were just a fake Pacifico. You just acted like me or them. That doesn't mean you are me. You are no match for the real deal, original players. Hate. Even with the hate fully under control of the better noise spell, the unthinkable happened. White, you. Lost. Thanks for watching.